Hi guys, today I'll be showing you how you can use Western Union to receive money. So let's get started. So first what we're going to do is go to google.com right here, and what we're going to do here is simply type in Western Union so that we would be given the link to the official website. This is the simplest thing that you can do, so that you can go to their website, and as you can see, it appears here. It says westernunion.com, and that is where you want to be. And so just click it, and after that you'll be prompted right here into the main dashboard of Western Union. And in here you can find the locations right here. So if you want to receive your money, you would want to find the location of the nearby Western Union branches around you, so that you could receive it via in the store via cash if you want to. So if you don't know what Western Union is basically a way for you to send and receive money from the Philippines, and it can be also used even if you're from another country. Let's say you're from USA, you want to send some money here in the Philippines, and you could use Western Union to send your money, and the person or the receiver here in the Philippines can easily get it by just going over the counter into the Western Union branch or store. They would be able to redeem it as long as you provide the tracking number, and they provided the necessary documents that proves that they are the receiver. All they have to do is present a valid ID or government ID. So last year, as you can see here in Western Union, our customers made 268 million transfers. That is worldwide. So with Western Union, you could really trust it, that it is reliable, and you can definitely. And here, as you can see right here in this page right here, these are the ways on how you can receive money on Western Union. There are basically three ways, which is cash pickup, bank account, and mobile wallet. So in cash pickup, there are three easy steps. The first one is visit a Western Union agent location. So for that, what you want to do is simply go into the main dashboard of Western Union, and want to go here and click find location, and you'll be able to find the location near you right here. You just need to provide a zip code. If you don't know your zip code, you just gotta ask Google and what is my zip code, and after that Google will provide it for you. And once you have done this, then you should be able to find some nearby stores or locations for Western Union, and you would be able to complete this step 1. So next is the step 2, which is provide your sender's details, including the money transfer control number. So you need the MTCN or money transfer control number to be given to you by the senders, because this is the code that you will be giving the agent in the store, so that they would give you the money, and that you could prove or you could have a proof that you are the one that is receiving that money, in addition to the government IDs or valid IDs you will present. And number 3 is show a government issued photo ID. So as I have said, this is an addition to the MTCN you would provide. The MTCN's role would be to locate the transaction of how much is meant to send to you, who's sending it to you, and etc. And the government issued photo ID is for the security purposes, to make sure that you are the one that is supposed to be the receiver. And that's it for cash pickup. It is very quick and very simple to do. And now let's move on into the bank account right here. And as you can see, it says that receive money in minutes when it's transferred directly to your BDO, BPI, or land bank account. Just provide the sender with the following details. So here, as you can see, the supported banks right here is BDO, Unibank, BPI, and Landmark. So it's also very simple. It's just 3 easy steps right here, or maybe 4 right here. It's 4 right there. So number 1 is you need to provide your full name, so that it is needed for all bank transactions, right? You really need to provide a full name, and of course your bank's name and bank account number. That is also very important, so when you are providing this one, you make sure that you don't mess up or just triple check, if you will, so that just to make sure that everything's right and you won't have to deal with such a hassle later on and retrieving your money or or filing a complaint or a ticket to the bank just because you have made a mistake in providing your bank name and account number. Then the money is sent to someone else. And number 3 is the purpose of remittance. So this is quite easy. They could just label it as anything they want. They could just go for send to family, to friends, or maybe you could do a salary for the purpose of remittance. Anything they like or anything that is appropriate for number 3. That's it. And number 4 right here is your address and mobile number. So you also need to provide your address because every bank transfer also gets your address, right? And for the mobile number, of course, so that they could text you and they could also verify that it's you, so you need to provide your mobile number right here. That would add more security and more convenience. And now let's go back and move on to mobile wallet right here. So in the mobile wallet way of receiving westernunion.com, so if you are a registered user of Coins.ph, GCash, PayMaya, USSC, or PeraHub in the Philippines, you may choose to receive money directly in mobile wallet via Western Union. So this is a really great way for you. So if you're in the Philippines, then the most common one here is GCash. GCash is used for almost any transactions here in Philippines. So this is a really good way, a convenient way, because we don't have to actually go into the Western Union, that we just have to wait and it would pop up in our e-wallet, which is GCash or maybe Coins.ph if you want, PayMaya, USSC, or PeraHub in the Philippines. So that is really great. And step number 2 is to receive a transfer in your e-wallet. You must have a fully registered profile, submit your ID info and other mandatory details to your e-wallet provider as per Banco Central Pilipinas regulations, and get it verified. Check your e-wallet's provider's website to learn how to register your profile. So if you're using either of these, Coins.ph, GCash, PayMaya, USSC, or PeraHub in the Philippines, you need to get your account verified first for this one to work. To get it verified is very simple. You just have to provide your ID. You just need to go search here and how to get verified. Example, in GCash, it is very simple. You have the steps right here, right there. Let's go for GCash right here. Right there, you need to log into your GCash account, tap the menu or something like that, and so on. But the important thing that you need to remember right there is that you'll need an ID, because eventually they would ask you to show them an ID so that you could prove your identity. And that's it. And number 3 is, once you receive a transfer in your e-wallet, you will get a text message on your registered mobile number to confirm that funds have been deposited into your e-wallet, or to alert you about issues, if any. So this is the way in which you can track your progress. So if you have already received the payment or the money in your wallet, then you would be notified through your mobile number that is registered into your chosen e-wallet right here. Or if there's any error, they would also notify you through your mobile number that is connected to your e-wallet. And the next step is step number 4, and remember to ask your sender for the tracking number, MTCN, and the estimated amount set. So this is really important in all methods that you want to receive your money in Western Union, is that you always ask for MTCN or the tracking number, so that you won't have any problems later on in case that there will be problems, like maybe the funds is lost, then, or you have made a mistake in filling up, then you made a mistake in giving your personal information, there is something wrong, then you could use this tracking number so that you could track where the money went, where it is right now, and you could retrieve it if there's any errors like that, and you could track its progress. And the estimated amount sent, of course, so that you could know that you are being sent the right amount, and if you're not being sent the right amount, then you could file a ticket in Western Union, and you could just Google search Western Union customer service, and in here you could actually file a ticket right here. You need to go here, and you can go here in contact us page, and you'll be able to contact them, and they will be able to help you with your transaction, with your money. You just need to go into one of these choices. You can chat with them, or you could give us a call, or you could just go into the location by yourself or personally, and you could use the find location here, so it depends on you. And after that, there is a another here that you should know. It's flexibility to change the way you receive money, because of course this is a new way really in Philippines. It is really convenient, because especially this mobile wallet, because you don't have to do anything, you just have to wait. You don't have to go into the physical store. Just all you have to do is just wait for a few hours maybe to receive your transfer in your e-wallet, and that's basically it. So thank you for watching. This is how you receive money using Western Union. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to be updated on our new uploads. See you soon.